Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all to Shri Ram Public School online classes. Today in the chapter Tribe, Nomads and Settled Community, we are going to see the new topic that is changing, a closer look to changing caste system. So let's start. Changing society, new caste and the hierarchy. Hierarchy means the level. As the economy and needs of the society grow, the people with a new skill are required. जैसे जैसे society बढ़ती गई, the people, those who are coming generation to generation, they are coming with a new skill and the talent. So smaller caste or jatis emerge within the varnas. For example, the new caste appeared among the Brahman. On the other hand, many tribes and social groups were taken into the caste-based society and given the status of the jati. Specialized artisans, smiths, carpenter and mason were also recognized as a separate jati. इसका मतलब ये है जैसे जैसे सोसाइटी कम्युनिटी डेवलप होती जा रही थी, ग्रोथ होते जा रहा था, तो वैसे लोगों के ऑक्यूपेशन, उनके आर्ट बेस, उनकी जाति को डिवाइड किया जाता था. जैसे अगर कोई नाऊ है जो बाल काटता है तो उसको नाऊ जात में कर दिए, अगर कोई कपड़े धोने के काम करता है तो उसको धोबी जात में डाल दिए. तो इस तरह से नए नए कास्ट का यहाँ पे इन्वेंशन हो रहा था. वे आर ऑल्सो रिकॉग्नाइज एज अ सेपरेट जाति बाय द ब्राह्मण जातिस रैदर देन द वर्णा बिकम द बेसिक फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सोसाइटी. बल्कि ब्राह्मणों में भी ऐसी कई जाति का एडिशन हुआ था. अमंग द क्षत्रिय न्यू राजपूत क्लेन्स बिकम द पावरफुल बाय द 11th and the 12th century. They belong to the different lineage such as Hans, Chandelas, Chalukyas and others. So some of these too had been tribe earlier. मतलब इसमें से कुछ लोग ट्राइबल पीपल भी थे. ठीक है, जब उनकी कम्युनिटी भी बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलप होती गई तो उनको भी किसी न किसी कास्ट में सेटअप कर दिया गया. Many of these clans came to be regarded as a Rajput. They gradually replaced the old rulers, especially in the agriculture area. Here a developed society was emerging and the rulers used their wealth to create the powerful state. The rise of the Rajput clans to the position of the ruler set an example for the tribal people to follow. इसका मतलब जैसे जैसे ये राजपूतों की कम्युनिटी डेवलप होती गई, ठीक है, इन्होंने अपने आप को एज एन रूलर फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Gradually with the support of the Brahman, many tribes become the part of this caste system. अब ये कास्ट सिस्टम का डिवीज़न एवरीवन नो कि ब्राह्मणों ने ही किया था. ठीक है, तो जैसे जैसे सोसाइटी डेवलप होती गई तो जो न्यू जात एमर्ज हुए, न्यू कास्ट एमर्ज हुए, उसमें भी कहा जाता है ब्राह्मणों का बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन था. मेनी ट्राइब्स बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द कास्ट सिस्टम, और उनकी वजह से कई ट्राइबल पीपल को भी कास्ट सिस्टम में जगह मिली. मीन्स उन्हें भी कोई जाति का टाइटल मिल गया, नाम मिल गया. But only the leading tribal families could join the ruling class. A large majority joined a lower jatis of the caste. यानी बहुत कम ऐसे सोसाइटी के लोग थे जिन्होंने ब्राह्मण कास्ट को ज्वाइन किया, बाकी रेस्ट ऑल अलग अलग जाति में बट गए. ऑन अदर हैंड मेनी डोमिनेटिंग ट्राइब ऑफ द पंजाब, जो पंजाब के सबसे डोमिनेटेड ट्राइबल्स थे, सिंध एंड द नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटायर हैड अडॉप्टेड द इस्लाम क्वाइट अर्ली. उसमें से कई लोगों ने इस्लामिक रिलीजन को अडॉप्ट कर लिया. The northwest frontier had adopted the Islam quite early. They continue to reject the caste system, the unequal social order prescribed by the orthodox Hinduism. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा जो कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पाया जाता है that is under the only Hinduism. Hinduism एक ऐसी जात है, एक ऐसा धर्म है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा जात का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पाया जाता है. The emerge of the state is closely related to the social change among the tribal people. Two examples of this important part of our history are described below. सबसे पहला है द क्लोजर लुक टू द गोंड्स. द गोंड्स लिव इन अ वास्ट फॉरेस्टेड रीजन कॉल्ड द गोंडावना. जो गोंड्स कम्युनिटी के ट्राइबल है, वो लोग जहाँ पे रहते थे उस रीजन को गोंदावना कहा जाता था. और अ कंट्री इनहेबिटेड बाय द गोंड्स, और द पर्टिकुलर कंट्री, उन्होंने कंट्री का नाम ही दे दिया था कि ये कम्युनिटी के लोग जहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं उसको गोंड कम्युनिटी कंट्री के नाम पर जाना जाता है. They are practiced shifting the cultivation. The large Gond tribe was further divided into the many smaller clan, a group of the community. Each clan has its own Raja or Rai, means those who ruled over the community. About the time that the power of the Delhi sultans was declining, a few large Gond kingdoms were beginning to dominate the smaller Gond chief. The Akbarnama, a history of the Akbar's region, mentioned the Gond kingdom of the Garha Katanga that had 70,000 village, which was registered under the Akbarnama. The administrative system of this kingdom was becoming the centralized. Centralized का मतलब होता है कि जो इनके ruler होते, he himself decide each and every topic, rules, regulation, policy, the way of the life they have to follow. The festival they have to celebrate, the way of the rituals they have to follow. Each and everything was decided by the Raja or Rais, who is the head of this community. Himself alone, without taking the consultation with anybody. The kingdom was divided into the Gara. Each Gara was controlled by the particular Gond clan. This was further divided into the unit of the 84 village, जिसको हम लोग 84 बोलते हैं in Hindi. The 84 was subdivided into the barhods, which were made up of the 12 village each. The emerge of the large state change in the nature of the Gond society. Their basically equal society gradually got divided into the unequal social classes. As a tribe, when they were living together, there is a equality among that community, that group. But because of the caste system, they divided into the unequal group of the community. Brahman received the land grant from the Gond Rajas and become the more influential. The Gond chief now wished to recognize the Rajput. So Aman Das and Gond Raja of the Gara Katanga assumed the title of the Sangaram Shah. His son Dalpat married Princess Durgavati, the daughter of the Salbana and the Chandela Rajput Raja Mahoba. Dalpat, however, died early. The Rani Durgavati was very capable and started ruling on behalf of her 5-year-old son, Bir Narayana. Under her kingdom become even more extensive. You should remember the name Durgavati, his son name Bir Narayana. And Mughal Asaf Khan attacked the Gara Katanga. A strong resistance was put up by the Rani Durgavati. She was defeated and but preferred to die rather than surrender. Means वो मरना पसंद करती थी लेकिन वो सरेंडर नहीं करना चाहती थी. Her son too died fighting soon after. उनके बेटे की भी मौत हो गई थी. Gara Katanga was a rich state. It earned much wealth by the trapping, exporting wild elephant to the other kingdom. ये ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी के लोग थे तो ये एलिफेंट को हर्डिंग्स करते थे और इस तरह से इन्होंने बहुत बड़ा रूलिंग किंगडम स्टार्टअप किया था. When the Mughal defeated the Gond, they captured the huge booty of the precious coins and elephant, which was earlier held by the Gond community people. They annexed a part of the kingdom and granted the rest of the Chandra Shah and Uncle Bir Narayana. Despite of the fall of the Gara Katanga, the Gond kingdom survived for some time. However, they became much weaker and later struggled unsuccessfully against the stronger Bundela and the Maratha. Okay, so we'll stop here only, student. Tomorrow lecture we are going to start with the Ahom. Till that, I hope so you understand the lecture, but still if you having any doubt related to any paragraph or any sentence, so you just ask me in the evening lecture, that is 6 to 8. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, take care, have a nice day.